We want to be healthy and safe, find opportunities. But our infrastructure and natural resources can't keep up with growing demands. We need to be smarter. We need to care more. It's time to create smart infrastructure. We can because we connect energy systems, buildings, and industries to adapt and evolve the way we live and work. New opportunities come at the grid edge. Energy consumers become producers. Batteries power electric motors, and buildings and devices become grids. We create new kinds of environments, sustainable, responsible, for the good of our planet and the people. You care, we care. Together, we're creating environments that care.